type Gemini -- version and press enter. To fix this error, just go to start, type PowerShell, run as administrator, type the following command. Okay, so this will fix the permission issues. This is our path and the same path will be visible under your ID also. Okay, till Gemini, and HP was the username. So you need to add it according to your own system. Press enter. So ICA CLS. Now this should work. And this fixed our problem. Okay, now let us try to run the command again. So we were able to fix the error. Okay, now login, type Gemini, login and press enter. This will take us to our Gmail ID. Do you want to connect VS Code to Gemini? Yes, press enter. Trust folder? Yes, press enter. And now Gemini login is visible. Do you want to sign it with Google? Yes, I'll just press enter here. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now it will open in our browser. Now it opened in our browser. So you can use any ID or domain specific or basic Gmail ID. So let's say I'll use my basic Gmail ID. Click sign in. Authentication successful. Okay, now when I'll go here, you have successfully signed in. Press R to restart. Okay, I have pressed R. So here it is, we have logged in. Okay, now when you'll go below, it is showing us the model. Okay, the quota is also visible and the workspace directory which was our my AI folder. I pressed escape. Okay, now I can directly ask here what is Python, or I can ask any coding question also. I'll press enter. Meanwhile, we can also go here and click on the cheat sheet so that we can get all the commands. So here are different commands visible. Okay, here it is. Here we got our answer. So in this way you can work with Gemini CLI. For free generative AI tutorials, refer to the links in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.